Hi, this is Professor Muldrow, and I'm going to show you how to download, install, configure, and use the CodeBlocks development tool for programming in C and C++. First, you must go to this website, CodeBlocks.org. CodeBlocks, all one word, .org. Once you're here, you click the Downloads tab. When you're on the Downloads page, you click Download the binary release. Now, if you're using a Windows PC, the file you want to download is this fourth one in the list right here. This one right here. That's the one you want to download. If you're on Mac OS, this is the file you want to download. This file right here is the one for Mac OS. However, if you are using an Apple computer, you will need to install Xcode before you install CodeBlocks. So be sure to have Xcode installed first on a Mac before you install CodeBlocks. Now, once you download it and you install it, you get this. Let me close this project. This is what CodeBlocks looks like when you first open it after you've installed it. If you want to make a new project, you click on the Create a New Project link. You then select Console Application. Now here you must pick a language. If you're programming in C++, you pick C++. If you're programming in C, you select C. I'm going to do C++ right now. You need to give your project a title. I'll just say hi. Now you may or may not need to put something here in this second box, which is the folder where the project is located. If this second box is blank, you need to click the three dots and then pick a folder or directory path where your project will go. The last two boxes are filled in automatically. You don't need to put anything in there. You click Next. And on this window, you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is click the Finish button. And you get this. Now, if you want to see your code rather than this gray screen, you come to the left and you click the plus box next to the Sources folder. Now, since I'm programming in C++, this file says main.cpp. If you're programming in C, it will say main.c. Either way, you double-click it. And here is your code. To compile it, you click on the yellow gear symbol, which says Build. And you should get 0 errors here at the bottom in blue. To run it, you click the green play button. And here is your output window. This is how your output will be displayed in a console application in CodeBlocks. Okay, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, please send me an email at kmuldrow@lbcc.edu.